All right, so this cool article here from Cointelegraph by Marcel Pitchman says Dogecoin hasn't always been a fun meme coin. Did you know that Dogecoin used to sponsor a NASCAR driver? Learn some unbelievable stories behind Elon Musk's favorite cryptocurrency. So this is a phenomenal story. I've already been through it quite a few times just because I was like, what? Are you kidding me? So Dogecoin actually has some foundation, which is important because a lot of people who are investing in Dogecoin right now are just doing it for the pump and dump strategy. But there's actually some underlying principles to the coin that could make it worth a viable coin. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. We took the weekend off here at the channel. By the way, I am Ryan Huggins. I am winning, and so are you. That is our slogan here at the channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. After this weekend, we had some craziness go down. Had to tell myself I am winning over and over and over again as I watched my portfolio turn red. So it was quite an interesting weekend. But hey, the rally is back on. We're really excited about that. We've had quite the bounce from last night all the way through today. So things are looking good. However, today, what we're going to talk about is Dogecoin. We got some cool, interesting details about Dogecoin that you may or may not have known. So you may only know of Dogecoin as the meme coin or the coin that Elon Musk promotes on his Twitter from time to time. But Dogecoin actually came out long ago. And there's an awesome storied history to Dogecoin, which we're going to go ahead and dive into right now. Dogecoin or Doge might look like a fun meme coin, particularly as its price has absolutely skyrocketed in 2021. But behind the innocent Shiba Inu dog cartoon are some horrific stories. Those buying the cryptocurrency due to shilling and jokes from Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk most likely have no idea of Doge's early days. The early days, introduced by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer in December of 2013, Dogecoin's protocol followed Lucky Coin and Litecoin LTC proof of work algorithm using script technology. It all started back on Christmas Day 2013 when Doge Wallet announced that its web page had been compromised, causing users to send funds to the hacker's address. A total of $12,000 worth of users' coins lost was reimbursed by Dogecoin Foundation board member Ben Doerberg's efforts, including community-funded donations. How many times have you heard about altcoins or startups focusing on social network micropayments using cryptocurrency? Inspired by the Bitcoin Tip project, which had been going on for over a year, the Dogecoin Tip project service was launched, enabling automatic Doge tipping on Reddit, Twitch, and Twitter. Unfortunately, Doge Tip Bot's creator cashed out the entire stash in 2015, which later led to the service's bankruptcy in May of 2017. So here's the daily chart for Dogecoin. This is back in 2016. You can see that it was always really low, under a cent, and then it made a little bump up almost to a penny. And then in 2018, it finally made a nice run up to, looks like, 2 cents. So it got up to 2 cents back in 2018, and then it's been struggling. But recently, because of Elon Musk, it looks like the SpaceX coin, look at this thing, just shot up to the absolute moon, running all the way up there, and now it is plummeted down, but it's creating itself a little bit of a support level here. So we're going to see, it's at 4.5 cents ish is its basic support. Let's see if this thing can keep pumping with the popularity of it. And now, knowing some of the details behind it, some people might think of it as a viable coin. Much sponsorships, such exit scams. Adding to Dogecoin's unorthodox origins, there's a woe-long tail, an active pseudonym on IRC and Reddit trading groups back then. By taking advantage of the Jamaicans bobsled team sponsorship announcement, this trader supposedly coordinated whales to pump Doge by 600% in January of 2014. A well-documented price attributed to this person circulates on the web, describing every move behind those coordinated pump efforts. More interestingly, the mentioned public and private discussion groups are eerily similar to the recent Reddit Satoshi Bet actions behind the more recent 2021 Dogecoin 980% pump. All right, so here's the daily chart from back in 2014 through 2015. And as you can see, there was a pump of the coin all the way up to 0.0005, and then it ran back down and hit its absolute lows. Did another pump right here in October of that year, and then it fell all the way back down over the next 6 months or so. Lastly, in October of 2014, the Moolah altcoin exchange announced it was shutting down and filing for bankruptcy protection, making another strong price correction as seen in the chart that we just looked at. Among the investors who were victimized are Dan Weissluck and his colleagues, losing a total of 750 BTC. Back then, not so many exchanges listed Doge. Thus, Moolah did provide some vital infrastructure to the online community at the time. To sum up, Moolah's founder, Alex Green, managed the campaign for a NASCAR driver sponsorship in addition to financing numerous Dogecoin meetups and Twitter promotions. So here you can see the number 98 Dogecoin NASCAR that raced in an actual race. That is that is really cool, actually. Outside of the box, kind of a not really the market you would think for cryptocurrency to advertise with NASCAR, but hey, interesting play there. Eventually, people found out that Alex Green was an alias used by Ryan Kennedy, who was sentenced to 11 years jail time for multiple crimes, including rape. Despite its early dark days that were filled with pump and dump exit scams, however, Dogecoin appears to have found its niche in the cryptocurrency space with a strong online community. Its Reddit subforum, for instance, has over 1 million subscribers today. Therefore, Dogecoin's volatile beginnings will likely be forgotten. Nevertheless, Doge certainly has a long history of people using it to pump and dump their bags way before Elon Musk likely even knew about his favorite meme-inspired cryptocurrency. With that being said, how do you guys feel about Dogecoin? So I am currently holding some Dogecoin. I'm going to keep on holding it, hoping that it goes up. I did not invest a lot, but I did want to diversify it just in case something crazy happens. Right now, I am actually in a drawdown situation with them, but hey, that's not a big deal. I'm really close to that break even, and then hopefully the pump comes and we can make some money with it and then hold long term as well. A lot of people are super hyped on Dogecoin. So let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please click that subscribe button. We are so close to having 800 subscribers on the channel, and with your help, we can get there. Talk to you later. The views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of Cointelegraph. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research before making a decision. So